Hello everyone, I'll tell you how to make Kiwi Pista Punch Mocktail. Take a shaker glass, add some ice cube, then add 30 ml of Kiwi crush, then add 90 ml of pineapple juice. Then you have to add 1 scoop of Pista ice cream into the shakers. Then you have to shake all the ingredients properly. So you have to shake more time for this mocktail because we add ice cream in this. You have to shake well until unless that ice cream will not mix with the ingredients. Then you have to take Pilsner glass and pour all the mixing drinks into the Pilsner glass. See, your mocktail is ready. Kiwi Pista mocktail. Then serve the mocktail with straw and stirrers. Okay, thank you for watching my